Hi students, now we are going to discuss the topic called centroid and center of gravity. So first let us discuss concept centroid. So this centroid is nothing but the center of plane or area, and the center of gravity means it is the center of any solid object. So centroid can be defined as it is the point through which the total area of the plane will be acting, and this word centroid we will be using for planes, that is for two-dimensional planes. So first let us define centroid. It is the point at which total area of the plane, or it is also called lamina, is acting. Now let us take a simple diagram. So first let us define centroid. So it can be defined as it is the point at which the total area of the plane or lamina is acting. So let us take, for example, let us take this square plane. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So this is the center of square. This distance is the x bar, let us say, and this distance is y bar. So centroid means the distance or the coordinates like x bar, y bar for the given plane is known as a centroid. So the centroid coordinates are x bar, y bar. Now we can calculate the centroid x bar, y bar for areas with the help of a simple formula that is given here. X bar is the x centroid. We can calculate with the help of a formula that is a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus dash divided by a1 plus a2 plus dash. So this is the formula to calculate x centroid. So similarly we can calculate y bar, that is y centroid, with the formula that is a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus divided by a1 plus a2 plus. So this is the formula to calculate x bar, y bar. So in this, a1 represents area of the first diagram. Capital A is the area of the plane. So for composite diagram, so we will be dividing the given plane into the different diagrams like 1, 2, 3. Then we will be using this formula to calculate centroid. So x bar, this is the formula. For y bar, this is the formula. So this gives the concept of centroid. Now let us see the second definition, that is center of gravity. Now let us define the definition, that is center of gravity. So center of gravity will be using for solid objects. So center of gravity can be defined as it is a point at which the total volume or total mass or total weight of the object is acting. It is the point at which the total volume or total weight or total mass is acting. So now the center of gravity will be using only for solid objects. Center of gravity applies to solids. So solids means like cone, cylinder, sphere. We can use the center of gravity concept. So solids, example, cone, cylinder and sphere. Now there is another word called centroid. So that centroid will be using only for planes. See, don't confuse with the centroid and center of gravity. So center of gravity is used for solids and centroid we will be using for planes or areas. So that is the difference between centroid and center of gravity.